Kuihobwo mugeragwanya mwamba gubogo mu mwaka w'2020 abatura babiri bari mu Kanyange Abaafuriirwe batwarwa muri Muhokya ubwo bakitegereza government kubahwera Rehema na Maro Chairperson wa campaign nagira ngo abatura babasa kwija kwitwa enjara.
Since January 10th it's when we received food from the office of the OPM, and to date we have never got food. The people that I'm leading, for sure it is tiresome. They are crying because they don't have food.
Omwe mu batura we nashaba mukuru w'ihanga kurugaya kabaronderaho kutura.
Tata Museveni otulindiro mu kampo emyaka yitwamarama. Twabane tukushaba otuyambe otuhereza itaka eri turabase kuhinga mwe cyo kurya ekiri kombeka omubiri.
Abantu bagira ngo bwa hatu bashobangirirwe kandi tubarukumanya echa abana babo barabarise otiro no butatunge bishare by'amashomero
bari kushoma nibaza kurema kubura gukora ebigezo ahabwo kuba tibeine school fees titwine cyo kuguza ngo tubaherere school fees titwine business zituri gukora ngo tubonemo school fees turya hagati abana nitubareba bureba twona bona tushitaminabo oyiherehe cyo muyaga gushenyura obuje bwabo babire bombekere
ubuyaga na kunta waguru obutapulini bonda government we yali tuyamane tuwo kugeza ngaba UNICEF waliwe bitongole bituyambye mwenyenyenyo obutapulini bonda kibuyaga jana situko obutapulini bona nibuvako.
Maybe settled and have where they can plant their own food. I believe that can work for them. Like a person with disability, like they say that you give me don't fish for me but teach me how to fish.
Albert Mwesugor Programs Coordinator w'Ekitongole kya Coalition for Action 1323 arigereya kwatira abatura aba arukubahereza obuhunga omuceri esabundi hamwe n'ebindi.
Decided to give them this relief item to boost them as part of COVID-19 relief, but also as part of increasing women's confidence, increasing women's capacity. And
konko yihirehe cy'abaturani bagumiza mu bagira ngo bine kubaronderaho kutura gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.